let's look at the black notes, and let's start with C. When a C goes up to the black note that's almost sort of attached to it, that's called a C sharp. And anytime the note goes up to the black note attached to it, that's called a sharp. It's sort of like a spike. Spikes stick up and they're sharp. So C, when it goes up, it's a sharp. And this is true of all of the notes. So F is here, and it's attached to this black note right on the right. So when you go up, that's an F sharp. If you play an A and you go up to the note right, the black note that's attached to it, that's an A sharp. However, there's something kind of weird about black notes, and it's that they all go by two names. Let's start on D. If D goes down to the black note that's sort of attached to it, that's a D flat. Now, you might be saying right now, wait a minute, I thought that was C sharp. It is C sharp, but it's also D flat. Every black note actually goes by two names. So this one that we've been talking about, it's a C sharp because when the C goes up to it, it's a sharp. But it's also a D flat because when the D goes down to it, we call it a D flat. So one note, two names, and also sort of two different jobs. It's a sharp and it's a flat, depending on the context. One way you can remember a flat is if you're driving your car and the tire goes flat, the whole car kind of sinks a little bit. So when you play a note and you sink to the black note right next to it, that's the flat. D flat in this case. And the important thing to remember is that when the note goes up, like a spike, it's a sharp. And when the note goes down, like a flat tire, it's a flat.